Hi, welcome to 151 Garage. I'm Sean.
I'm Jill.
And today we're actually going to do something for the Big Bends. Now, we've been working on the other two cars quite a bit. We have been trying to set this one up for the dogs, and we're trying to make it so the dogs don't tear apart the inside of it. Now, as a couple videos ago, we did the Mabbett all back end stuff, which is the two mats here and the big mat in the back, and then these little flaps right here that fold down. They're all covers and they absolutely love it, as you can tell, the toys and stuff back here. Now, the one thing they wanted to do, or the one thing we wanted to do, is get some kind of cover for this right here. Now, Diesel's pretty good, but the new Dobies love this step right here. So
especially Shadow.
Yeah, what they'll do is they'll put their front paws here, and what we don't want them to do is kind of dig into it or scratch this up or tear it, because what's going to happen is trying to replace this is going to be expensive. Anything OEM, if it's not a cover, which it's not a cover, it's actually a whole piece, you will have to buy the entire piece for this, which is going to be expensive.
They're not cheap. I mean, they're probably like between 75 to up to a couple hundred, depending.
Yeah, so what we've been doing in the past is go ahead and grab that towel. Is throwing a towel over the whole thing, not like this, but like open it up. Kind of have this, so it's a little bit of a guard for the paws themselves and the claws. The one thing with this is it keeps moving, so it slides back and forth and goes, you know, forward and back, and however they step on it, they'll slide a little bit. We wanted something a little more permanent, not necessarily permanent, but a little more sturdy.
Yeah.
So we ended up getting this right here. Now, if you don't know what this is a cover that straps onto the center console cover, and it's actually pretty nice. So we put it on just to test fit it. It's pretty tight, so it's not going to move anywhere. It's gonna stay on pretty well,
and it's grippy.
Yeah, it's grippy, and this right here, it has such a good amount of padding that they're not going to claw through it. How well it stands up, I don't know. We'll see when we get our dogs in here and let them step on it and stuff.
We'll do a follow-up video in a couple months.
In a couple months. So far, they absolutely love the cargo cover areas and the back seat covers. They don't slide. Yeah,
Diesel's really appreciative of that.
So this right here is another thing from Mabbett. We are going to go ahead and install this. I'm going to hand you off to Jill. Now, all this is just a cover. If you can see right here, you have the nice roundish edge, and then you have more of an angle. The angle goes towards the back, as you can tell. Yeah, they rolled it. Let me set this back.
There you go.
This right here has the angle, while this right here is a little bit less. So it'll go like this over the top of it. Now, as you can tell, you have these little stretchy elastic pieces, and what they do is bring this up, go over,
I'm having him put this on because I just don't have the strength right now to do it.
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's just Jill's kind of in a weakened state.
Oh, because I'm sick right now, so.
There we go.
Now, before you covered this up right here, but this right here is your latch that goes right here. Now, these are plastic, so just be mindful of that.
Bring this back up. So what you're going to do is there's a gap in the elastic pieces that's right here, and that's where that goes. So the rest of them are all nice and tight. As you can tell, it covers pretty much everything, the whole top. Fit this one a little bit better. There we go. And then side to side. Make sure you get it all the way. There you go. So nice and covered. It latches, doesn't pull open until you need it. It's not bad. So it does have the diamond stitch on it. It only comes in black from what I
mimics our diamond here.
Yeah, I wish the one thing I do wish is I wish it came in different colors. I wish it came in different grays or a gray or something like that. Obviously they're going to make it for the masses. Most of the masses are just going to want black because that's what all this stuff is. It's just black. Matches everything. We'll see. It's got a lot of padding for it. I mean, it's actually pretty nice. I haven't driven in it yet, but I don't think they're gonna slide very much. I don't know if their nails are gonna dig into it.
And the coolest thing about it is it's under $25, so it's affordable.
Yeah, and that's something we wanted to do more of. Is I know a lot of people look for these real big expensive things, like our body kit for the one or our interior in this, but little things that can change your Bronco to make it look a lot better and more comfortable for you. So we wanted to get something for this, and we didn't want to get something super expensive. So like she was saying, this is under 25 bucks. I think it was like $23.99, $23.95, something like that. We'll link it down below. And I mean, it actually got delivered the very next day. I ordered it on Amazon. I got delivered the next day, and I was just, I mean, when she opened it, I was like, wow, it actually looked better in person than it did on the site. They do have others. Now, I'm not going to say they have others, but other people have others that actually slip over it, but there's no way to secure those things on there. That's what kind of bugged me about those and why I didn't choose to do that. This actually secures on it, so it's actually pretty nice. I like it. Under 25 bucks. Change your whole, you know, the whole armrest, a little bit more padding. I just wish they had the same thing for those pieces right there.
Oh yeah, for those little armrests.
Maybe that's next. Anyways, you like it?
I like it. I'm hoping that the dogs will find it useful because it's not very slippery.
Yeah,
it's got a really good, decent amount of grip to it.
And if they scratch this,
it's less than 25 bucks, so it's not.
It's no big deal.
Not like a ton of money going down the drain.
Yeah, it's. I mean, I just gotta say, it's a little bit cheaper to replace this than replace the other one. So it's cheap insurance. So, anyways, hope you guys like this. If you guys want to see things like this, more affordable, cheaper items, let us know. We have some more things coming. We'll do some videos on those, and we'll do follow-up videos on everything, probably in a month or so, for this and whatever else. So far, for Mabbett, we love what we've already bought from them. This, we'll let you know in a month or so. Okay? Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you next video.
Bye.
Bye.